monthly reading natin for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Take only what resonates. For personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Friend ko yun, guys. Hindi ako yun. And, pa-comment na lang dyan sa baba. Ma-appreciate yung likes, comments, subscribe pag hindi pa naka-subscribe. And, ma-appreciate ko kung kayo ay mag-hit din ng notification bell. So, let's start. Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. What do we have here for Earth sign? So, kukunin natin yung iyong situation ng person mo. Hamster wheel, divine, feminine. Person nakakonect mo. Interview and love affair. Bottom of the deck is the day. What is the connection all about for Earth sign? Healing family issues. Bottom of the deck. Getting to know each other. Okay, for some of you, I feel like yung iba sa inyo, you are, connecting with your divine feminine energy, which is pwedeng inilalabas mo ngayon yung pagiging artistic mo. Sa kahit anong larangan, career, sa buhay mo, sa sarili mo, sa katawan mo, sa itsura mo, pinapakita mo yung artistic qualities mo or kung ano yung mga skills mo, galing mo. I see you making changes. Maybe you are thinking yung iba kung hindi pa ginagawa yung changes na yan, nagkakaroon na ng mga pag-iisip regarding dito kung anong gagawin dito. Pwedeng yung iba, sige gagawin ko itong changes na ito. Dahil tingin mo yun yung makakabuti para sa'yo. Yung iba financial changes You want to make something or do something na tingin mong makaka-apekto, makakatulong para sa iyong finances. You could be dealing with a person who is in another relationship, with a love affair. Nakakita tayo ng pag-uusap sa kanila. With the healing family issues, I feel like there's issues sa inyo ng person na ito. Or, with regard sa family, pwedeng, kung hindi man kayo mismo yung nagkakaroon ng issues, maybe sa mga kanya-kanya ninyong pamilya. Some of you, there's 2 or more people na involved dito sa connection. Pwedeng you're connecting with another person. Kung hindi man ikaw, pwedeng itong person mo may kakonect na iba pa. Pag sinabi natin connection, hindi naman ibig sabihin may relasyon Pwedeng may kakonect, but it's something na nakakaapekto pwedeng sa relasyon ninyo ng person na ito. Okay? And gusto kong gamitin yung card na ito. Anong emotions ninyo sa isa't isa ng taong ito? Aqua, Marine is here. Apophyllite, obsidian, zincite, mutual emotions, lepidolite. Okay, bottom of the deck is the zebra stone. Yung iba sa inyo, maybe, kung ano man yung mas nagiging mas clear or nagbibigay ng clarity sa'yo ngayon, pwedeng nandito yung emotions mo. Or I mean, kung ano man yung mas nagbibigay ng clarity sa'yo ngayon. I mean, you know yourself, alam mo kung sino yung taong gusto mo, mahal mo, or you want to connect with this person, this particular person. Obsidian and zincite. Nakikita natin ito. This is root chakra. So, pwedeng may mga kinalaman dito sa past na dapat harapin itong person na to. I mean, pwedeng pinoprotektahan niya yung kanyang sarili, or maybe something in the past ang ayaw niya nang maulit. Lepidolite, nakikita natin ito na just, you know, whatever is happening right now, just trust the process. Trust mo lang na itong nangyayari ngayon is divine, kind of like divine timing. Just trust the situation. In the near future for you, Earth sign. You do have here the Hanged Man, Page of Swords, Strength card, and the Empress. In the near future for Earth sign, please. The Sun, Five of Wands, Two of Cups. The Tower is here. In the near future for Earth sign. Retreat. Clarify the retreat. Bottom of the deck is let go of control issues and wedding. Honestly, nakakita tayo ng separation in the near future. Like with the Hanged Man, I feel like for those of you, pwedeng may mga hinihintay ka na mangyayari na in the near future. May mga, well, with the Empress, I can see you being more beautiful, being more, you know, connected sa nature, mas connected sa iyong higher self. With the Strength card, you are someone na mas matapang, mas malakas, mas magaling na in the near future. Some of you will be more happy. I can see a relationship connection na magiging mas masaya ka. May nakikita tayong relasyon dito na ipinaglalaban. And regarding sa mga other people, other issues, other person na involved dito sa connection, with the Tower, unfortunately, nakakita tayo dito ng separation, ng ending. And with the Three of Cups, maybe some kind of reconciliation or reconnection with maybe a friend or someone. And ito yung magbibigay ng malaking pagbabago sa buhay mo in the near future. Like, sabi ko nga, kung may mga mag-i-end, kung dapat lang mag-end yun para mas ma-welcome itong new beginning and mas sayang buhay sa hinaharap para sa'yo. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.